Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Youthful Living. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn how to make stuffed aloo paratha. So let's see what are the ingredients we will need to make this. We are going to need 3 boiled potatoes, 1 cup grated carrot, half a cup green chilli paste, ginger garlic paste, salt, chaat masala, cumin seeds, turmeric, 1 cup mint and 1 cup coriander, some oil, carom seeds and 200 grams wheat flour. I am going to knead the dough now, so I'll add the carom seeds, 1 spoon of oil, some salt, and I will mix it well, add water and start kneading the dough. Add water as required. I have kneaded the dough and kept it aside for some time. Meanwhile, I have grated the boiled potatoes and we are going to make a stuffing. So I have put the kadai on flame and added 2 spoons of oil. I have added the cumin seeds and roasted them. Now I am going to add the ginger garlic paste and mix it well. I am going to add turmeric now and we are going to saute it. The green chilli paste, I have added the grated carrots and we are going to let it cook for some time. Now I have added the grated potatoes. We are going to mix it well so all the masala coats the potatoes. We will add the chopped mint leaves and the coriander leaves. Add salt as required and mix it well. We have made balls from this stuffing and now that the dough is rested, we are going to make the parathas. I'm going to make a ball from the kneaded dough and roll it a bit and then add one of the stuffing ball to it. Close it like you will shape a momo and then you will have to roll it out. Meanwhile, we have put the tawa on the gas. So this paratha will be thick since we have the stuffing inside. So keep checking the tawa and make sure it is hot, and then we are going to add this rolled paratha on the tawa. The tawa should be on high heat. We are going to flip the paratha and add some oil. So this will roast it nicely. We can make the rest of the parathas in the same way. I have flipped the paratha and added oil on both the sides. Once the paratha is done, you can even add butter to it and it will enhance the flavor very well. So once the paratha is done, we are going to serve it. Adding another paratha on the tawa now. So once the paratha is done, you can serve it with any chutney. I am serving it with red chili pickle. You can serve it with red chili pickle or any kind of pickle, or you can do it with green chutney or tomato sauce. Thank you for watching.